Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I groom my eyebrows at home when I am really busy and I just didn't have time to go get my eyebrows done. So first, I'm just going to use a spoolie to brush my eyebrows, and make sure you're brushing them in the direction that they grow, obviously. And using a brown pencil liner, I'm going to use it as a guideline. That way I know where I should groom my eyebrows. So just like that. And using nail face cream and an eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna put that around my eyebrow just like I shaped it, and use that guideline. Make sure you use the guideline because you don't want the face cream to go where you don't want your hair to be, the extra hair to be plucked out, you know what I'm saying? So just make sure you're really careful. I'm gonna say this again, make sure you're really careful because you don't want the face cream to get in your eyes, and B, you don't want the face cream to go where you don't want the hair to be shaved off. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then using a wet cloth, I'm just gonna wipe that away just like that. And using some tweezers, I'm going to pluck some extra hairs. Ouch, that was painful. But guys, make sure that you're plucking the hair the direction that it grows, because that's a little less painful. It's not as painful. It's still painful, but it's not as painful. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just cleaning up the rest of the eyebrow. Make sure that I don't have any little extra hairs. And then using a spoolie again, I'm just gonna brush my hair. And that's basically it. You know, just simple and easy at home grooming. You know, when you're really busy and you have a busy schedule, it's really hard to find time to do some of these things. And sometimes you have somewhere to go and you need your eyebrows done, you know what I'm saying, because you can beat your face. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure that you thumbs up this video and comment below, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching.